running out of Gmail storage? That can stop your emails, backups, and even Google Photos from working properly. In today's video, I'll show you how to free up Gmail storage fast. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The fastest and most efficient way is to go to the official Google Storage Management tool. Open a web browser and go to one.google.com/storage/management, and you can see how your Google account storage is being used. Your Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos are all pulled into one storage, and for free Google accounts, you have 15 gigabytes of storage to use for these three applications. So you can see Gmail is taking up about 6.5 gigabytes of storage in my Gmail, and under Cleanup Suggested Items, they have categorized them into three sections that can be easily and quickly fixed: emails with large attachments, large drive files, and spam emails. Click on Review to view these suggestions in detail. Run through this list to see which emails you no longer need and delete them by checking on a box to the email. Then click on Delete at the top right. Then check your emails in Trash and also Spam emails. To delete all at once, click on the checkbox beside the word Showing, and this will select all your emails for this page. Click on Delete, then proceed to delete the rest of the spam emails by checking all the boxes and delete them again. Then, go back to your main Google One Storage Manager page and do the same for your large Google Drive files and Google Photos. By cleaning up your Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos, you will have more storage space for your Gmail. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and